Hello everyone, welcome to Patel Mem Academy. Let's start our class. Rhetoric. Rhetoric means the art of writing or speaking effectively. It is the art of argumentation or discourse. Rhetoric means how to express our ideas impressively. It has felt the need to train public speakers and writers to move audience to action with arguments. Let's go. Elements of rhetoric. There are 5 elements. They are: first, invention. It means to express our ideas originally. In other words, to use such words that can draw picture in the mind of the listener or reader. Next, memory. It means that the writer should use his memory to remember words of speech. He should use example to support his memory. He should memorize word, quotes and other facts. Next, action or delivery. Speech writing should have proper flow, reason and motion. One's mind should not be diverted from right path. Our writing or speaking should be brief and clear. Next is style. Style: the writer or speaker should make his idea interesting by using figures of speech and other rhetorical technique. Use rhymes, imagery, metaphor, etc. Next is a presentation. It means the art of presenting our idea before others. A poet or a writer should choose such words and arrange them in a proper order so that the reader or listener should be impressed. They are a rhetoric. Figures of speech. Figures of speech are used to make a verse of sentence impressive, just like an ornament decorate the body of a lady and add to her beauty. In the same way, figures of speech add to the beauty of poetry. Our first figure of speech is simile. Simile: when we compare two different things which have at least one point in common, it is a simile. We use the word like, so, as in comparison. Some few example, like first example, her face is like the moon, life is like a dream, and twill sparkle like a star. I hope you understand everyone. And our next figures of speech is metaphor. A metaphor is an implied simile. We compare things without the word like, so, as. We compare directly, express, not implied. Just like he was a lion in the fight, it is a metaphor. And when we say like simile, he fought like a lion, it is a simile. And he was a lion in fight, it is a metaphor. And our next figures of speech is a personification. We called Hindi in Manvikaran, Alankar, personification. In the figures of speech, lifeless object or abstract things are said or written as if they are a living thing. We call personification. Some examples: human feelings and sensitivities are most important thing in personification. Like example, Death lays his icy hand on king. Our next figure of speech is hyperbole. In hyperbole, a statement is made emphatic by our statement. Like example, rivers of blood flowed on the battlefield. In the figure of speech, we describe a thing or person beyond the proper limit. Means out of limit. Like, O Hamlet, thou hast cleft my heart in twain. I hope everyone understand. And our next figures of speech is onomatopoeia. Means important sound like snack sounds hissing or bee sound buzzing. When we use this type word in our poetry, we called onomatopoeia. Our next figures of speech is apostrophe. In this figure of speech, we address an imaginary person, abstract quality or an idea. Just like some example, O world, O life, O time, or O solitude, where are the charm? O death, where is the sting? Our next figures of speech, antithesis. In these figures of speech, we do one thing and refuse the other, or we put two things together by contrasting them. Like some examples. Speech is silver, but silence is gold. Man proposes, God disposes. In this poetry, some opposite thoughts coming with. Our next figures of speech is alliteration. Alliteration means consonant repeat. In this figure of speech, two or more words begin with the same letter or syllable. Like, this miss is Sister Kisler. Potatoes, peas and pumpkin are greengrocer's goods. Their P word, three words in the end begin with the letter G also. Our next figures of speech is paradox. In this figure of speech, a truth is revealed by self-contradictory statement or mutually opposite saying. Like, after death we shall meet in heaven. Patriot lives after death. Towards die many times before their deaths. Our next figures of speech is irony. In this figure of speech, device is used to convey a meaning which is opposite of the clear meaning. Like, what a brave son of India Jai Chand was.